Hello, this is Shardul Thal, and this is a recording for my Taekwondo application for CSE 335 final exam or phase 3 submission. So, yeah, this is my Taekwondo application, and um, it is basically for learners or beginners who want to advance their skills in the sport of Taekwondo. This can also be used by people who already know Taekwondo and want to either improve their basics or just, see what the application has to offer. So, there are, so in order to be good at Taekwondo, there are a couple of things that one must take care of. Number one being physical shape, so that's why I have included variety of workouts. And then so in the variety of workouts there are different types of workouts and different difficulty levels of workouts. So yeah, and then there is structured training where one can improve their basics, and also the forms where one might go from a white belt to yellow belt and yellow belt to a green belt, and then the progression can go up till the eighth form, which is the black belt. So yeah, and then there is a map functionality for the user, which they can use to identify local areas where taekwondo events might happen, events or even classes that are taking place. So let's take a quick look at that. So yeah, let me just, oh sorry, uh, yeah, this one. So here it is, and yeah, so this is the home screen, and here's the list view, and in this there is, yeah, here. So in this you can, so this is just a search icon, you can't click here, so you'll have to press enter every time you search something. So if you want to look around places where you can do taekwondo, you probably won't find any except MMAs. MMA is mixed martial arts, and their taekwondo is included, but it's not specifically for taekwondo. If you want to widen your search to Phoenix, uh, here you can see a couple of places that are doing taekwondo, and if you want to go to Los Angeles, here you might see a lot of them. So yeah, as I was saying, so yeah, and then basically I built a progress tracker to monitor different to see where the user has reached in their training. So I couldn't I couldn't implement this at all because it takes a lot of while to code each and every one of these. So did the basic user interface for this, and did proper MVVM application for this, because the thing is all three of these features I've got, like 1 2 3 4 and this thing combined. These are basically three applications in one application. So I thought that this is more of a group project, kind of um, assignment, and not an individual. So I had to limit my implementation to variety of workouts. So in that I have um, total counts as my global variable, where uh, this is used as my core data, and it can store how many workouts I have completed and how many workouts I have attempted. So yeah, here you can see there are different types of workouts, and you can go intermediate, easy, intermediate, or hard. So yeah, then as you could see, this was the use case diagram. You saw the whole welcome home page, which leads to the list view. List view goes to the workout sessions, fighting techniques, the pumses, progress tracker, and then events and updates. Since these two aren't really functional yet, it wouldn't make sense to do this as a whole. So basically, I implemented, since it is an individual project, it is only this is the implementation which is there. So for the MVC diagram, wait, let me see. Yeah. So yeah, all these views that are there are also there in the use case diagram. And yeah, let's move ahead. Okay, so for the MVC diagram, I so I implemented MVVM architecture where, as you can see, for let's say example, for the workout sessions, I did. So the user interface is basically the workout sessions view, and the workout session. So there's also workout session detail view, and then there's also workout sessions view. So there are basically three views in this particular thing. So yeah, these are the views. And then if you can see, there is so once it goes to the controller, which is the model view, it reaches the model, stores the data, accesses the data and manipulates it, and lets the model view do the implementation, and then it reaches out to the workout sessions view and projects the changed outcome on the screen. So in that case, you saw was the total completed versus total attempted. So that was there, and I tried implementing core data in that. It is a little bit faulty, but I think that can be improved. So similar to that, I have done views and view models and models for each and every one of the implementation that I tried. So yeah. So yeah, as I was saying, capabilities and limitations of the project and lessons learned. So in this, the capabilities are basically uh, there are different level of workouts. As you could see, there was beginner, intermediate, advanced, and also different types of workouts, which I haven't mentioned in this, which were basically endurance, strength training, and body weight. And then there was a workout motivation course, which I did the API. So I did the API through that. So if you can see, this is the API implementation that I did. And then there was so yeah, there is a comprehensive video which which I took from YouTube, and same with this basics and advanced techniques in Taekwondo. And then map implementation is also another capability. And then there are limitations such as the progress tracker, as I say, as I told before. And then data storage is a bit faulty because of the core data implementation. So yeah, all in all, this is the overview for my project. And yeah, I also implemented the API thing, so I should have probably mentioned that here. And then yeah, suggestions for improvements in the class. So if this question is for my project, I think I would say that I need to improve my planning skills, which was in the initial part of the project, because this project has been really heavy for me. But if it is for the class, like it says here, suggest improvements for the class or project. This class has been amazing, and it has been interactive. It was it made us implement real life scenarios such as the Taekwondo application. And then there are different phases which I thought could have been improved. So phase 1 could have been shifted to the first half of the semester, and phase 2 could have been split into two parts, where it is a bit easier on the students to submit it. So like you can, in this first part you can do these implementations, and then in the second part API functionality and Go data or Firebase implementation, and phase 3 should be the same. So yeah, also yeah, I was saying that it would be better if there were a couple of more lecture activities like the one on JSON, and because that really pushed us to write down something, and I believe if you write down on paper, it is definitely you know clearer for the mind to grasp the concept. So yeah, hope you liked the project, and yeah, thank you.